Hi, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can redeem your Amazon gift card. Now, you might have bought it or someone gave it to you, and this Amazon gift card, as you can see, comes in different amounts, and this is what they look like. Now, let me show you how you can redeem this through your computer. So first, make sure you open your browser and log in to your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and go to the top right corner of your screen. Look for where your name is, and then it shows account and lists. Go ahead and click that. On the options given to you, look for gift cards. Go ahead and click that. And then you should see this shows your current card balance. You can either reload it or redeem a gift card. So this is what we want to do. Go ahead and click this button. And then from here, all you have to do is enter the claim code. Now, how do you find the claim code? So when you hover your mouse on this part, it would explain where you can find it. It's a 14 to 15 character long code, and it has both letters and numbers. Now, let me just show you a quick photo on what it looks like. So this is an example of an Amazon gift card, and at the back, you should see the claim code. So that's the same code that you'll be putting in here. Make sure you don't include the dashes, and once you're done, all you have to do is click apply to your balance. Now, once that's done, your gift card balance should also be updated here. And that's it. That's how you redeem your Amazon gift card. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.